welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elena. Today I decided to create this super easy natural cut crease for you guys. So if you guys want to know how to create this cut crease, keep on watching. First, we're going to go ahead and moisturize our face with the weightless moisturizer by Benefit.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Then we're gonna prime our eyelids in the Tarte concealer Shape Tape in shade 205, and go ahead and blend that with the sponge. And we're gonna go ahead and use our Laura Mercier setting powder and just set that. Now we're going to be using the Jacklyn Hill palette in shade MFEO, and we're going to go ahead and use that as a transition color on both eyelids. And you can go ahead and use a wide angle brush. That's how I do it. It's easier for me. Now we're going to be going in with the color Ruler from the same palette and intensifying that. And now we're going to give it more depth in the shade Jacks. Now using our Morphe M32 brush, we're going to go ahead and intensify that. Now we're going to be highlighting our brow bone with the same palette in the shade Faint. Using the same concealer, we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. Make sure you guys take your time when you cut the crease, because this part can be very tricky. Now using our Morphe M167 brush, I'm going to go ahead and set that. And make sure it blends well. I'm going to go ahead and use my Sephora palette. And I'm going to go ahead and set that in. That way my application goes in nicely. My Fenty Beauty Foundation, I'm going to be using this for my foundation in shade 220. I'm going to go ahead and blend that with the sponge, guys. You can really use any application to blend that. I use a sponge.
Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan.
Now using the same concealer, I'm gonna go ahead and use that under my eyes. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and set that with the same setting powder by Laura Mercier. I know it looks crazy at first, guys, but trust the process. Now I'm going to be using a brush, probably off Amazon, and just going and making sure that I get off all the excess off my face. Now I'm going to be using the eyeliner by NYX. Guys, this eyeliner, I love it. I'm also going to be using the INB eyelashes. And these eyelashes, guys, they are bomb. I love them. Now I'm going to be using the Sephora collection palette to go ahead and contour my face. And I'm actually contouring my face and with the Morphe M449 brush. I really don't use blush, but today I'm going to be using the matte by the Sephora collection, guys. And I'm going to go ahead and be using the same Morphe brush and M449 to go ahead and apply my blush. Now I'm going to be using Beauty Creations for my lips, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that, and this is in the shade Truffle. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX lip liner, lip pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and use that to outline my lips. And the trick, guys, for me, I use the same concealer to use that to create that multiple dimension lip look. Alright, y'all, so that was the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Please let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any more of my upcoming content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!